Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Weekend Today in Central New York. We are in Weather Authority alert mode for high heat and humidity today. Heat advisories go into effect from noon to 7 p.m. with a maximum heat index of around 100 degrees. Our actual temperatures will be in the upper 70s to lower 80s through the morning, mid 80s at lunchtime, then lower 90s this afternoon, forecasting a high of 93. Plus, our dew points will be around 70 all day, which is tropical feeling humidity. And that will make our temperatures feel like the mid 80s through the morning, lower 90s midday, then mid to upper 90s all afternoon, even into the early evening. So high heat will be over us for several hours. And we're not expecting to see much relief from the wind, as it will stay rather light today. Today is expecting to be our second day in the 90s. Yesterday we got up to 90 degrees. The record was 96. Today we'll be closer to the record high temperature, forecasting a high of 93. The record is 94. And if we hit 90 again tomorrow, which we are forecasting, this could be an official heat wave 3 days in a row in the 90s. We're forecasting a high of 90 degrees, not far from the record of 94. Keep in mind, normal high temperatures this time of year should be in the lower 80s. Now, because the humidity will be sticking around, the real feel, as I mentioned, will be a maximum of 100 today in that extreme caution category. Lower 90s is what it will feel like on Sunday, upper 80s on Monday, and not much relief during the work week. Back into the lower 90s on Tuesday, upper 90s is the real feel on Wednesday. Could see another heat advisory issued towards the middle of the week. The reason for the high heat and humidity this weekend is a warm front that's rolling through as we speak, bringing us some extra clouds, a couple of spotty sprinkles, but sunshine will break out behind this front and may even spark, because of the humidity, a couple of isolated thunderstorms. A better chance for scattered, stronger thunderstorms as a couple of cold fronts roll through come tomorrow. There is a marginal risk for some of those storms to become strong to severe. It is a low risk, only a level 1 out of 5, but mainly during the afternoon to evening is when those strong storms will form. Between the hours of 2 to 9 p.m. is when we're watching, with damaging wind gusts and flash flooding being the main concerns. But there could also be some pockets of large hail. Right now, just a couple of sprinkles, a relatively quiet morning, and feeling warm and sticky. Already 78 degrees in Syracuse and rising quickly, as I mentioned. This warm front is bringing us those extra clouds, which will be shedding away to more breaks of sun as we head towards midday. A couple of isolated thunderstorms popping up here and there in the afternoon. Really not much activity. Best chance to see some in central New York will actually be closer to sunset, about 7 or 8 p.m. But those will fizzle out as we go towards midnight, and we dry out as we head overnight into Sunday. There may be an isolated shower or thunderstorm the first half of Sunday. The best chance starts around noon is when thunderstorm clouds really begin building. And by 2 or 3 is when we start to see strong to potentially severe thunderstorms popping up. Those continue into dinner time, moving west to east, eventually should be exiting to the southeast by about 8 or 9. As we head into Monday, there may be an isolated shower or thunderstorm in the morning, but a mainly dry day, partly sunny in the afternoon, highs in the mid 80s, upper 80s with sunshine Tuesday, then lower 90s on Wednesday, partly sunny, small chance for an isolated thunderstorm, a better chance for thunderstorms Thursday and Friday, and highs drop back into the 80s. Nicole?